Hi sweetheart, I am CHESCA, and today what we're going to do is actually a request of a friend her daughter has lactose intolerance. So I decided to do this crispy, flaky, gluten and lactose-free chocolate brookies. Let's get started and prepare all the ingredients. Melt the chocolate through bain-marie, or you can use your microwave oven. In a mixing bowl, whip egg and sugar until it gets lighter, fluffy, and double in volume. Make sure to use egg at room temperature. Pour in the melted dark chocolate. Oopsie! Someone smelled the chocolate! Hey, little girl! Can't you wait until it's baked? Pour in the half of the oil. Add in the last part of the oil. Mix until you reach a homogeneous mixture. And lastly, combine the baking soda and cornstarch. Add the half of it in your batter and mix. Mix until there's no trace of cornstarch. Let the batter set and rest inside the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Don't forget to film it in contact with a cling wrap. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. Pipe in a circular motion to achieve a flat, round-shaped cookies. Preheat your oven at 175 degrees Celsius and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. And voila! Transfer the cookies in a cooling rack and let it cool down. Store it in a cookie jar to preserve it longer. So there you have it, a light and crispy, gluten and lactose-free chocolate brookies. So sweetheart, if you have any requests, please comment down below. And I promise, I'll try my best to help you satisfy your cravings. Ciao! Oops! Please don't forget to click the subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share this video. See you on my next sweet adventure. Ciao!